Hi everyone! Thank you so much for loving my crochet heart bracelet series. And today, we will explore how to make this delicate thing. These tiny hearts are easy to make and come together beautifully as a bracelet, making it a perfect handmade jewelry or gift. To start, we will make a magic ring. Wrap the thread around your fingers as shown and pull out a loop. Take any type of yarn and a 1.90 mm hook. After the magic ring, we will make 2 chains. Chain 1, then chain 2. Next, do a treble crochet. To do that, yarn over twice and pull up a loop. Once you have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Again, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Again, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Make 2 more treble crochet using the same technique. Yarn over twice and pull up a loop. Once you have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Again, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Again, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Repeat the exact same process one more time. At this point, you will have 3 treble crochet on your magic ring. Moving on to the next part, we will do 3 double crochet into the magic ring. To do a double crochet, yarn over and pull up a loop. Once you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Again, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now, using the same process, make 2 more double crochet. After finishing 3 double crochet, make a chain 1. Now, make a treble crochet, using the technique I have explained earlier. After the treble crochet, again do a chain 1. At this point, you have made 1/2 of your crochet heart. Congrats on that. For the next half, we will simply reverse the pattern we were doing. For that, make 3 double crochet. Yarn over once and pull up a loop. Once you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Again, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Repeat the same technique and make 2 more double crochet. I will be back once you finish the set of 3 double crochet. Now, we will make 3 treble crochet. To do a treble crochet, yarn over twice and pull up a loop. Now, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Again, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Again, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Now, use the exact same technique and make 2 more treble crochet. If you have followed the tutorial accurately, you should have a structure like this at this point. Once you finish 3 treble crochet, make 2 chains. To finish your crochet heart, make a slip stitch into the magic ring. Now, pull the loose end of the magic ring as tighten up the circle. Now, cut off the yarn while leaving a sufficient length to secure the loose ends. Make 2 knots and cut off the extra yarn hanging behind. There you go. Cheers to the first crochet heart you just made. Now, make 3 or 4 more crochet hearts using the same pattern we just finished. Here are some jump rings, which will help us to attach the hearts with one another. Open a ring, attach it to the one side of the heart. Take another heart and attach it to the jump ring just as shown. After attaching 2 hearts, join the open ends of the jump ring tightly. Now, keep attaching the tiny hearts this way. You can choose any color combination of your choice. Here, I have chosen a summer color palette. Well done! You just made your very first crochet heart bracelet. Attach chains on both the sides, and it will be ready to wear. Thank you for watching.